Hello, this is Abrie from beginnertoprodrums.com, where my mission is to take you from a beginner drummer to a pro drummer within 3 to 4 years. As long as you put in the time and the effort to train and to do everything exactly as I tell you. I restarted the entire process, all for this YouTube channel and for the website. I bought these drums the other day. They are very cheap. I paid about 2,500 yuan for them. That's Chinese yuan. The dollar will be at the bottom. But I'll show you how to make this sound good. I'll show you how to tune them. I'll show you how to buy your cymbals, how to make this bigger, how to become a drummer. Must be. So if you enjoy drums, I'll be talking about drums, I'll be doing drum covers, I'll be playing, I'll be training, I'll share everything in an entire journey from a beginner to a pro. So if that's what you're interested in, this is the channel for you. Subscribe below, like the video, like the channel, share this, because there are many drummers out there that wants to start. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.